Welcome back to another Printing Center USA tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you from start to finish how to use the free online design tool to create a custom calendar. Start by visiting the website, go over to the design drop-down, click Online Design Tools, then click Custom Calendar to start designing. Let's begin by adding photos. Start by clicking Import Images, then click Add Photos. Here you will select photos from your desktop to upload onto your calendar. After it uploads, click Import. Now you can click and drag your images onto your calendar. You can add text by clicking Text, then Add Heading. From this menu, you can edit the font size, opacity, alignment, and much more. The bottom bar here is where you can navigate from month to month, and if you'd like to change your starting month, just click this button here. Now let's mix things up and add a background to our grid. So go over to Background. Here you can drag and drop one of the backgrounds onto your grid or upload your own background. Adding things like clip art to your calendar is super easy. Just go over to the clip art tab, find something you like, and drag it onto your calendar. Next we have events, which are one of the coolest things you can add to your custom calendar. You go over to the events tab, and here you can hide traditional events, or you can go over to the Your Events tab and add your own. Once it's added, it will automatically be generated into my calendar. With the events, you can also click on a specific date and add events or icons here. Our page layout tool will give you full control if you want a different layout from page to page. Simply go over to the layout tool, pick your month, and drag and drop it onto your design. Once you've done that, find your images, drag and drop those into the boxes. At the top, there's an editing bar with tools like pan, cut, copy, paste, and more for editing. To use them, click on the desired image, and this will unlock all the tools. Clicking an image also brings up this detailed toolbox for further editing. This box will show image quality and options like replacing, cropping, adjusting, rotating, and more. When you're finished, click Preview to get a complete look at your new calendar. And if you need to make changes, now is the best time. But if you think it looks great, click the X, click Continue, and we'll handle the rest. If you need more guidance, visit the Resources tab over here in the right corner, or the Intro button or Help button down here at the bottom. Don't forget that your project will automatically save as long as this Save button is highlighted gray. But that's a wrap on our free calendar design tool with endless customization options. You can create a calendar that stands out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop any questions down in the comments below, and until next time, thanks for watching and happy printing.